purchasing property here in Farmington, and Jonathan's a seller. What can you tell us about your overall satisfaction with this deal, and the process and everything else?
I'm pretty satisfied. The process was really fast. I needed to sell my house quick. I'm moving to Florida, and so it was easier than contacting a real estate agent, and just go on the website, and within a day he calls you and comes sees your property, and then once he once he makes you an offer, pretty much on site, you give him a call back, and he's ready to close. Ready to close probably within about 3 days, I think. So we're already here. It's only been a few days, and I'm pretty happy.